Good day everyone. Well, in this video I'm trying to press the bushes out of the suspension as well as push some in. It didn't work out too well, and I've introduced the devil imp when things go wrong. Unfortunately, you'll see the little imp too many times. Well, finally the bushes are sorted out in the suspension, and I sort of went against one of my principles, which was to do everything myself, but I had such a hard time getting these bushes in. I got one, as you would have seen, but one of these done. Oh, I just could not get it done. I tried everything, even took it to another place. We tried that press, wouldn't happen. In the end, I took it to an engineering firm called G-Tech Automotive down in Longdale, South Australia, a member of the Classic Cruising Car Club, which I've got Molly registered in. And he's got all the right tools and the right nifty pressing stuff and a big press, and I got him to press them in for me, because really, honestly, it took me weeks and weeks of trying with no success. So rather than flog a dead horse, I decided might as well get them done, and in that way we can now put the suspension on and things like that, and actually start moving on with assembly of the car. So yeah, it was a bit disappointing. I didn't do it all myself. I did do some, so I can have some pride in the fact that I did do some. So there you are.